Don Bosco College Bendihati kala penlong ya kajing Yakob Shondur bat ka workshop hakalai phuwei tarik naitung arhajar arpusan halor ka phang Finding Beauty in the Mundane. Yakani kajing Yakob bat ka workshop la penkre bat penbet penbiang da ka media committee ha kajing trelang bat ka college entrepreneurship cell. Hakani kasngi la sakhi ya kisap ki phong jong ki khna pule lengba ki dur ki dar ba ki lashon. Kiriu shampang hakate kasngi kilong ka Miss Davida Paswet usa first Tarwell El Sotun bat usa Samson Siang Shai ki bala bishar benia ya baro ki dur bala peni pat ba. Hakani ka workshop ka Miss Davida Paswet bat ka kunhon kila ai jingi kai ya ki khna amtang shaphang ka jingnang jing start ban shandur hanrei kila ai ka lad ki khna bakin pen i ala ki sap ki phong da ka ba shon ki dur da ka ba pendan kam dala ki jong ki mobile phone. Kani ka jing ko bat ka workshop kalawan ra jing metoy shibun e ya ki khna pule jong ka Don Bosco College Bendihati.
Wah. LD ले ला ini. Dude, stop. Okay, so don't cut her. She's looking that side now. Try to focus on her. Focus on them. Focus on them. Like